The Senedd is made of 3 levels. Level 2 is the oriel, level 1 is the neuadd, and the ground level is the Cwrt. The public can access the upper 2 levels independently. Occasionally, the Cwrt is open for public access on some guided tours and public events, such as the National Eisteddfod and yw'r Eisteddfod in the past. However, most of the time it is only accessible to elected Senedd members, their support staff and committee witnesses. During the plenary meeting in the chamber, the elected members use the Cwrt space and nearby breakout rooms to meet party colleagues and support staff. This is to ensure that they are best prepared for taking part in debates and the scrutinisation of government policies on the chamber floor. Across the entire floor of the Cwrt is one of the most recognisable native building materials from Wales, slate from Llanfestiniog, North Wales. It is in fact the very same slate which was carved to form the stairs leading the public from the outside into the Senedd building.